In today's video, I have a tiny NYSE listed penny stock trading at literally pennies. This stock has cutting edge technology and to date has hundreds of millions of dollars booked in order backlog. Yet the stock is trading at just about $11 million. So in today's video, I will be looking at Nuburu Inc., ticker BURU. This company has released some big news recently and is rapidly expanding into the defense sector that could bring revenues this year alone that are 5 times the current market cap. Now, before we get into it, can I ask you to smash the like button? It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it literally takes 2 seconds and costs nothing to smash the like button, and it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get into it. So first of all, who are Nuburu and what do they do? Nuburu Inc. is a US-based photonics company specializing in the development and manufacture of high-power blue lasers and laser systems for industrial manufacturing applications. The stock is listed on the NYSE American under the ticker BURU. Nuburu's lasers offer significantly improved absorption in copper and copper alloys compared to traditional infrared lasers. This enables faster processing speeds, higher precision, and reduced thermal distortion. The company serves a global customer base that includes manufacturers in the automotive, electronics, aerospace, healthcare, and manufacturing sectors. Nuburu have 2 flagship product classes. The Nuburu BL series. These industrial blue lasers deliver a free space beam with output powers up to 250 watts. And the fiber-delivered Nuburu BLF series, which extends output powers up to 1 kilowatt. Plus, they offer the convenience and flexibility of fiber delivery. And these are used across such industries as battery manufacturing, cell phone manufacturing, the medical and automotive sector, and additive metal printing. They also offer a range of services and have application and service centers all around the world, which we can see here. Now, if we look at the charts for just a moment, we can see that this stock is one of the most volatile on the market, but at the moment it is sitting at a very important level. The last time the stock hit this price was back in May, where it found a very strong support at this price, but after a few weeks bouncing around in this channel, it had a huge breakout move, and I do mean huge. The stock ran from just 14 cents up to 52 cents, which was a gain of over 200%, and then spent the entire month with massive volatility. But once again, we are back to this level of support, and once again, this stock is heating up for a big run. So what caused this to happen, and why am I talking about it now? Nuburu initially revealed its strategic trajectory in the defense sector as part of an acquisition plan of a defense tech company. They made the announcement as they awaited approval from the Italian government, but stated that the defense tech business is currently actively developing innovative strategies to protect personnel and infrastructure, and that the targeted defense tech business currently accounts a portfolio of approximately 60 clients across 7 countries, including the US, Italy, and the United Arab Emirates, and accounts a robust backlog of orders totaling $309 million and options for an additional $180 million. And then 2 days later, Nuburu revealed Techni as the targeted acquisition, which has an annual revenue of $50 million and an R&D team of 70 engineers and technicians, bringing a wealth of expertise in telecommunications, electronic, and cyber warfare, along with state-of-the-art vehicle projection systems. As stated here by Nuburu's executive chairman, Alessandro Zamboni, our targeted acquisition of Techni exemplifies our commitment to expanding within the vital defense sector while enhancing our capabilities to address complex security challenges. By integrating their advanced solutions with our blue laser innovations and niche solutions in the operational resilience space, we are poised to deliver cutting-edge products that meet the ever-evolving needs within the $500 billion defense industry and the emerging regulatory requirements in the securities market. By leveraging the existing Techni robust order backlog totaling $309 million and the potential synergies with a platform as a service business model, Nibiru is well positioned to ensure operational efficiencies and accelerate its growth in critical industries, creating value for shareholders. So taking a quick look at the investors' presentation, we can see that Nibiru already have huge addressable market in place. Within consumer electronics, aerospace, healthcare, and e-mobility stands as the largest market, at least for now. Their blue lasers are seen as the next step in green manufacturing, as they provide higher absorption rates and significantly reduce the amount of energy needed. As we've seen a lot recently, there is a growing demand to reduce energy consumption. And this is a market that is set to grow considerably over the next few years, as we see here at a compound annual growth rate of roughly 25%. And they have been targeting top-tier companies as potential customers, huge companies across many industries, such as Tesla, Boeing, HP, and General Electric. Their blue laser technology offers lots of advantages over traditional laser tech as they target key industries. Now, in the past few weeks, the trading volume has increased massively for Buru stock, averaging 20 or 30 million shares traded, as opposed to a few months ago when this was only trading about 2 million shares on average. And this is likely because there is the expectation of news breaking soon. Just over a week ago, Nibiru issued a shareholder update on strategic progress and path to controlling interest in Techni. Over the past several weeks, Nibiru has made significant progress in advancing our transformation agenda. One of the most important next steps in that process is the establishment of a capital foundation to drive that transformation. Coming news from the company will provide plenty of context for that remark. And on this front, Nibiru completed a public offering worth $12 million. So that has established the capital foundation needed to drive the transformation. The foundation of our defense and security hub is taking shape. This includes not only our core laser technology, but also the integration of Techni's advanced defense and control platform and innovative software solutions aimed at digitizing the operational resilience capabilities of any mission-critical business. Together, these elements are designed to create a powerful ecosystem capable of addressing emerging defense and security needs across multiple markets. As it says here, we are particularly excited about the newly formed joint venture between Nibiru and Techni. This venture provides us with a strong platform to serve both Americas and NATO countries, leveraging $7.5 million in existing non-Italian orders and expanding the pipeline. In short, we are executing the plan we laid out. But this is important. The months ahead will bring critical milestones, and we are confident that the trajectory that we are on will strengthen Nibiru's position as a leading player in defense technology innovation. We will have more news over the coming days that should add clarity and credibility to the path we have outlined towards the establishment of a state-of-the-art defense and security hub. Now, I think that any announcement could have a big impact on the stock. A couple of weeks ago, the stock surged over 30% on a simple announcement that Nibiru will acquire the stake through a two-step process. The company will acquire a 3% equity interest in Techni in September 2025, followed by the remaining 67% by the end of the year. So it's clear that any updates on this will have a huge effect on the stock. But guys, what do you think? Clearly there's a lot of excitement around the business combination of Nibiru and Techni, but there are huge risks too. If we look across social media forums and sites like StockTwits, there's a very bullish sentiment surrounding the stock at the moment due to the Techni deal. But a major risk here is that if anything was to happen to this, if the deal collapsed for any reason, then the stock price could too. That's just my opinion. The announcement of this deal was the reason for the stock jumping up back in May, and as long as we get positive news, then everything should go well. It's worth remembering that this company went public valued at over $300 million, while today it could be a bargain valued at a little over $10 million. But guys, what do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on Nibiru Inc. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in